start, guys. So let's put some tires on it. The Grizzly's out of commission because the harness is messed up from a mouse or something. So until the harness comes in, the tire's gonna be sitting there. So let's put them on the Wolverine and see what happens. When the harness is all messed up, you just get the Wolverine to pull you around. At least that's the way I'm doing it. Run! Now don't get in between us now. Stay over there. Ugh. What's with me and always having harness problems? And they said it's gonna be a while till it gets here, so we're gonna have a little bit of fun today, guys. There's the old Grizzly with the 28-inch Outlaws. Oh man, it's sad that it's gonna have to sit so long, but first and foremost, let's check the ground clearance. Oh, exhaust side. A whopping 10 inches. Just that 10 inches. Whew. Talk about sucky ground clearance. I don't think it's on this. So let's check this the best we can. That's about 12, maybe 12 and a quarter. Hard to tell, and it could be on that slightly, but 12 and 10 is what we're gonna go with. Maybe 11 and something, but that's what we're gonna go with, and we're gonna see what happens. Everybody just riding around, cleaning up from Christmas. Got kids with their four-wheelers. It's gonna be noisy, but we're gonna get this straight. Okay, so if you see my last video, it was spinning off the rim. Had to take all the water off, pump it up. Well, guys, it's the moment of truth. It's time to see if these bad boys will fit on this thing without a lift. I mean, it's really just for boredom because she's dead, but we're about to find out, and I'm so excited I can't lie. But guys, seems to fit, but like always, there's always a problem. The lug nuts just ain't no room to get a socket in there. Ain't no room to get nothing in there really. So I'm about to get some longer lug nuts. Always something. Okay guys, it's the next day. We got it jacked up in the same spot. Already got one tire off. Got the GoPro set up for some more time lapse. Tell me if you like it, guys. And got some lug nuts next day from Napa. I'm hoping these will fit. They're supposed to. Everybody on that. I forget what it's called now. They think they changed the name. They told me it was the size I needed, so we're gonna take this thing off and we're gonna see how it goes. We also got some other parts that should be in the mail the next week or two. We're gonna start the Wolverine build. I've been slacking on it because I've been working on the Grizzly, but she's gonna sit for a while, so we're gonna start on this build. Tiles, lift, bumpers, winches, and maybe a few odd end things. Maybe some fun stuff. If they come out with a turbo kit, I'm definitely getting the turbo kit, guys. I'm telling y'all, turbo is coming for this bad boy. Well, let's get this started. Do it again, do it again. I taught him everything he knows. He's not going high enough. You gotta go to the top of it. Come on. He's ready for that new one. Hey! You want some mud tiles on that thing?
What?
Let's put some mud tiles. You want to put mud tiles on it?
Look at me. Say cheese.
So while we're working on this, kids just riding around. It's time to have some fun. Try it again. Do it again. Oh, man. He ready to go through the mud puddles. That thing just don't have enough torque. Oh, one wheel spin. One tile fall. Oh, no. It's like a Polaris. He lost his seat. It popped right off in the deep water. No. We got it, Landon. You wrecked. You didn't wreck. You got stuck. Come on, push. You got to push by yourself. Pull. Come on. Got it. Come on. Ugh. There you go. Full stuck, buddy. You going the wrong way? We drive Yamahas around here. Oh snap. Oh snap. Looking like a drag car. Big's in the back, little's in the front. Well, now I got this tire that keeps going flat. So I'm going to break it down, get the stick, mud, whatever's in it, and then put them on the old Grizzly. We got one set, and she is looking mean, and she looks like she has plenty enough clearance there. We'll have to find out. Did have to take the center caps off. That sucks. And I take the stock cap off too. But hey, it is what it is. We'll make this work. Look at the old Grizzly. She looks so cute. And of course, one lug nut had to break off. And I wasn't even talking on it that hard. But 2003, that's almost 20 years old. She gave out. So, 2 down. 4 to go. I got 2 on that one, 2 on this one. But we're getting there, guys. She's about to be bad. Okay, everybody, I know you're ready to see it. Are y'all ready? Are you ready to see what Outlaws look like on a Wolverine? Bam! Look at that bad thing. Got them street tiles on them. I'm just kidding, y'all. I was just having a joke. Hang on. Now, let's get a good angle. Y'all ready? Wait for it, and bow! Boom! 28-inch Outlaw 2s. Skinnies in the front, wides in the back. No lift, and I don't see no rubbing. I just drove it down the path. Y'all can see for yourself. I turned all the way. No rubbing. The back, I don't see any rubbing back here either. No rubbing at all. So, looks like we're good. We'll probably get a lift still. But here's the moment of truth. Let's measure it. So we had just under 12. So going up. We should get a little, well, we're not on concrete anymore. I didn't think about that. This is a lot harder. With just tiles, we're getting about, give or take, probably closer to 13 and a half. Hang on, I'm trying to get straight, guys. It's not throwing me. There you go. Yeah, about 13, probably 13. Got a good inch off the front, which is about what you get. You don't get a lot when you put tires on. You need to lift. And the back, oh, this exhaust is hot. From that point there is 12 3/4. So we went up a lot in the back. I don't know why the back, but she is mean, guys. Just look at her. She is just beautiful. She definitely needs a bath now. Had to take all the center caps off because, as you can tell, this thing sticks up way out there. Had to get new lug nuts, which took a day or two to get here, but we got them. But just admire that beautiness. The the winch and a few other items are coming in soon. They should be here momentarily, and we'll start this build up. I'm probably, whenever I get ready, I'll probably go ahead and take these Outlaws off and put some Terminators. To me, the Terminators just ride way better. These things do better in the mud, a little bit better than the mud, but Terminators ride so much more better. So she's good to go, and she's waiting for a harness, but she will be back soon, and I know she will be ready then. And I hope y'all enjoying the GoPro footage. Like I've told somebody the other day, I'm not going to just stop using my iPhone because I got a GoPro. I do not like the whole first person view non-stop. I like a little bit of mixture. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video.